We got our 2025 D case. Mainline Hot Wheels. We're gonna rip this thing and see what we got. And maybe if I keep the camera up, right? All right. I haven't seen any DK stuff at all yet in this area, so I bought a case. There's the new kit, new Knight Rider. I think it's like a stunt. I think it was the one he was a stunt in or whatever. 2020 Shelby GT 500, like a bronzy color. That's sharp. Mid-mill. Street Wiener. Jaguar MK1. El Viento. Pedal Driver, which I think is the treasure hunt. A regular, I think. Yeah, it is. There's your regular treasure hunt out of D case. I guess I probably should have looked and seen what the super was. There's the Red Bull Racing Formula 1 car. Oracle. New Porsche 911 GT3. Not seen that one yet. Sharp. Gotta go. High roller. Porsche Carrera. Lamborghini Miura. White doing it up. Gordon Mary Automotive. The Toyota Cup. '69 Corvette Racer. That's a nice power wagon. It's my favorite out of the case so far. Is another Porsche. Let's make this go a little quicker. Another Street Wiener. Gold Batman, Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Black Mercedes. Red Humvee. Koopa E-Racer. I think that was from C cases too. I think that looks familiar. That's one I haven't have yet. Chevette and HRA. Pretty cool. 70 Camaro RS. That's a good looking one. That's up there with the Power Wagon. It's a good looking car. HW50 concept. Cruise Bruiser. Gold Type D. '70 Superbird. Stock car. Later Crater. '15 Miata. Cadillac GTP. Hypercar. Tesla Cyberquad. And the last from the top row, the Street Shrieker. And you gotta give me a second to reorganize here so I can get these bottom. Yeah, let's scoot down a little bit. Bottom row. Another gold bat. We've seen that one already. Another yellow caddy. Maserati Shamal. That's a new one. Red. Bad looking little car. '74 Charger. Roadster. And another one of the Gordon Murray cars. Another Jaguar. Aerodynamic. Ain't fair. Another gotta go. A white Roger Dodger. Oh, and you guys remember that, but back in the day, that guy was with HWC. He was an interesting feller. There's a '99 F-150. Another Roger Dodger. I believe it was the Indianapolis Convention, Indianapolis Nationals. That was a very, very interesting time. Another one of the Makos, or Hakos, or Hako type Ds. Another Power Wagon. I have to rip one of them open. Monty Racer. Purple. Supercharged EV funny car. Another Humvee. Another Toyota Cup. Chevy Blazer 4x4. Silverado EV. High Roller 2, which I'm assuming that was probably, I don't know if that's Treasure Hunt or not. I don't know. Another Maserati. 23 Ram 1500. Another HW50 concept. Another Corvette racer. Punk rod. Another Porsche GT3. Another Camaro. Another quad, cyber quad. I think this, maybe this Datsun was the Super, I don't know. Anyway, that's not a Super, so the streak continues. I'm not scoring any Supers. Another Lamborghini. Third Go Bat. Another black Mercedes. Another Cooper racer. And the last car out of the box, another 2020 Mustang Shelby GT 500. All right, that's it for the D case. I'll post the video of the E case too. I didn't buy an E case, but I found the E case, a complete E case in the store. That'll be on here after that, and then I guess we're up to F now. So I'll get one of them at some point.